So, what are you doing, Kuya? I put a mark here. You can only play inside this room. Someone might get hurt when they accidentally step on your toys. Look, you even put your doll on this plant. The plant might get hurt. Why? They are not humans. They have no feelings. Yes, but they are still living things. Plants are living things. One of their characteristics is they grow. A young plant will eventually grow over time. It grows taller and its stems grow harder. They also respond or react to their environment. When a plant is in shade, it responds by bending towards the sunlight. And it also reproduces. Example, an apple tree can reproduce by making seeds, and these seeds can grow into a new apple tree. But how do they grow or reproduce if they are not eating? The roots take up water and minerals from the soil, and their leaves absorb a gas which is called carbon dioxide. They convert these into food using the energy from the sunlight, and this process is called photosynthesis. We must also remember that the plants release oxygen that humans need, while humans release carbon dioxide that the plants need. Okay, now I know, Kuya. I realize not all living things can move or walk. Yes, you are correct, Diday. My pet I got is a living thing because he can move and talk. Look.
Hello, everyone. This is Family Member. Whose name
No, Diday. It is just a toy. He can move and talk because it has a battery. Just like plants, animals also have characteristics of living things. They grow. A puppy will eventually grow into an adult dog. They reproduce. Imagine if animals do not reproduce. Many of them will go extinct, and we don't like that to happen. Another characteristic is that they also respond. If it is raining, they will find a place so they will not get wet. If they want something, although they can't talk like humans, they create sounds. And just like humans, animals need oxygen to breathe and releases carbon dioxide. Just to add, the physical appearance of animals are different to humans. Humans only have 2 legs and 2 hands. So, this doll is a living thing. It looks like a human. It has 2 hands and 2 feet. It can also move, talk, and get sick. Look. No, Diday. Just like I bought, it only talks and moves because it has a battery. Will it move and talk if it doesn't have a battery? No. Does it breathe? No. Does it reproduce? I hope so we'll have more dolls. But unfortunately, not. So, don't be confused, okay? will you help me identify which are living and non-living things? Sure, Kuya. Okay, we have the plants, the Lego, your dog, your dolls, and even your food and water are here.
The plant is a living thing because just like humans and animals, it can grow. It responds to its environment and it also reproduces.
The Lego toy is a non-living thing. Well, simply because it doesn't have any life or even the characteristics of a living thing.
My dog is a non-living thing also because it can only move and create sounds using a battery. Same with my doll. It has no life, although it's like humans. It doesn't reproduce or grow.
This chicken nugget is made out of chicken. Chicken is an animal, so this is a living thing. No, Diday. Chicken is a living thing if it is alive. Do you want to eat live chicken? Of course not.
Okay, so this chicken nugget is a non-living thing.
Kuya, does living things also need non-living things in order to survive? Yes! See, you are eating and drinking. These are the basic needs of humans and other living things.
Look, Kuya, I am giving the plants some water so they can produce their own food.
Very good, Diday. I hope you learned many things about living